Every year, 3.2 million people die prematurely from household air pollution. Over 320,000 of those people were children. Because of the lack of awareness about the problems with household gases and the dangers they can cause, most people don't know about it, making them more susceptible to the harms of household pollutants. That's why we created Air Guardian, an air monitor that can help with air quality protection, making it more accessible. Hi, my name is Amriel Bates, and I'm a rising junior at Thomas S. Wooten High School. And for this project, I'll be mainly taking on the role of Arduino coding.
My name is Annie Yee. I just graduated from Wooten High School, and my main role in this project will be the software development and the app design.
My name is Mahdi Zafarwadi, and I'm the CAD and hardware developer and engineer, and I go to Winston Churchill High School.
My name is Lance Wei. I just graduated from Wooten, and my role in this project will be software, hardware, and a little bit of everything, pretty much.
Hi, my name is Chidera Dedika. I'm a rising junior from Springbrook High School, and I'll be working on the software, cloud, data, and also soldering and wiring.
We're Team Air Guardian.
So basically, we're making like an air monitor because we've seen a lot of air monitors, but they don't really have that accuracy or that design that can detect several different gases. So we're gonna have multiple sensors that detect gases like CO, CO2, and then also a particle sensor, so that'll be able to detect dust and pollen.
We're also implementing it with an app, so basically you can track what your air quality is like through the app.
I think our main goals for the next 2 weeks-ish is to get the wiring plan down, because we have a lot of sensors that we're going to implement into this project, and if we don't have a good plan, it's going to get real messy very fast.
Also, to add on to that, I think a lot of us are going to be working on the app development part of it, so that way, while we're waiting on the parts for the hardware components, we can work on the software components.
And cloud is something that's kind of new to all of us, so that's a new skill that we're going to be looking forward to learning too.
I think the big part of getting a project like this done is proper communication. So if we can just communicate what we need and our problems, we can definitely get this project done in 5 weeks.
I started making like an app, and I got it on my phone yesterday. You basically just scan a QR code and then you can open the app on your phone. So I'm just making like a basic welcome page right now, and then I've got some basic details like the name and the features, and that's pretty much what I have right now, and I'm still working on the functionality of it.
One of the hardest parts about our project is just the connection between everything, because these are all things that are kind of brand new to us, so it's going to be challenging, but I'm excited.
We only got our Arduino board yesterday, so I've been trying to figure out the sensor code for that. I've only been able to get the humidity sensors to work right now, and the other ones I'm still working on how to code it and read the sensors.
What I've been working on this week is mainly just getting like all of the tabs done and getting the functionality in. I implemented like a progress bar to show the air quality, and it's right now connected to the sensors. So if the temperature down there where the sensors were to change, then it'll also change on the app automatically without refreshing.
For next week, at least for me, one of the main goals is going to be figuring out the placement of everything, especially on the actual box that we have. As we're receiving the parts, we're realizing that some things aren't fitting into the spots, whether it's because I made an error in the measurements or just problems that come with 3D printers. And also just actually connecting the parts together and getting them to work is, I think, going to be one of the bigger goals next week.
So we have an order in for our semi-official CAD or device prototype to be printed. And once we have that CAD done, we're going to start working on the mounting and then see how the data comes in. That's something we really want to test and get done by Friday, so that by Monday it's really just how we're going to present all that we have.
I feel like we have such a good team. We're doing a lot of good teamwork, and I feel like our product is very applicable to the real world today, given that 99% of people live in conditions that are below the World Health Organization's air quality standards. So I hope that on demo day, people can see the value of our product, and hopefully we can get voted best team. But if not, in my mind, we already are.
It's very stressful, but we got the wiring pretty much down. It was definitely a stressful moment every time I soldered something on because like, oh, what if I burn this? What if I mess that up? But at the end of the day, I think everything went well. It's just a matter of implementing the code into the device and uploading all the data to MQTT.
I was just helping Mari with like an extra set of hands this week with the wiring, and then today I started sanding and putting the rosin on the pieces. And I think it was really important that we collaborated on this because we all have different skill sets that we came in with, and each individual part took a lot of time even with those skills already. So being able to connect all of that together was really important.
Obviously, we haven't put everything together yet, so I can't say for sure, but I'm definitely excited to see what it looked like, and I feel like all of us worked really hard on the project and came away with something better than what we originally imagined. Good evening, we are Team Air Guardian, and we created an air monitor that can help with air quality protection and making it more accessible.
So the technology that runs Air Guardian is made up of sensors that detect 7 different gas levels, as well as particulate matter, such as dust or pollen if you are allergic. We also detect temperature, humidity, and pressure, and you can see all of this data via an app you can download on iOS or Android, as well as a physical display and alarm that is built into our system. So for the future, we hope to enhance the app with more features such as predictive analytics, as well as more compatibility with systems like HVAC to have better ventilation control, as well as improving the quality of our sensors for accuracy. So we ask you to take a step with us and start revolutionizing our air together for a healthier living today. Thank you.